Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the traveling crafter, and I came back from vacation to some happy mail, and I'm so excited to open it up. I have not peeked inside. However, this is from our friend. Look at the poppies. Aren't they perfect? From our friend Sarah at New England Junk Journals. And here's a hint. She said, hope you like the yummy antique book pages. And if you haven't watched her videos, I think she has two. She has one of a sourcing video for antique pages. And she, I believe, has one that she goes over the bundles. But if you want some of these, check out the Maker's Market because she has them up on the Maker's Market now. And I think this is what it is. And I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So thank you, Miss Sarah, for thinking about me. I appreciate you very much. And always, look at, cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. Going in my art bundles. So is this. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at the mouth. Well, hi, cutie patootie. Now, I'll tell you, if I really saw this little guy out in the wilderness, I'd probably kind of freak out, but he's pretty cute on a card. Oh, my goodness. I'm so excited about this. All right. So, let me see. What do we have here? Okay, we're going to save that one. Let's see what we've got. Suzanne Cunningham. Critters of the Kitchen Kingdom. Well, Critters of the Kitchen Kingdom, what are you up to? 1922. My goodness. Aunt Jo and Uncle George and the Kitchen Critters create fun. We hope you write us, everyone, and tell us which you like best with what you think of all the rest. And if some new ones you invent, then you have the pictures also sent, for if they show their critter look, they may appear in another book. Oh my goodness, Sarah. The chef, old Mr. Rat, little Piggy Wiggy. Drawings and lettering by Paul Brown. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is awesome. Mr. Murphy, the cook from France. With a tasty way and appealing glance. So if you don't know this, I love anthropomorphic anything. Anything that is an inanimate object that then has a face on it cracks me up. And these are definitely no exception. Look at this rat. Little Piggy Wiggy. It looks like they used paper for his appendages and then some cloves for his eyeballs. Oh, look at, he's a monk. Peppo. Oh my gosh, these are great. Bread and butter fish. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, I got to think of something really creative to do with these, but our pony. The militant Cornella Cobb. Oh my gosh. Votes for women. Old Dr. Sheldrake. Take a yellow summer squash and 4 clothespins from out the wash. Shells for wings and eyes. Quite black. Now he's done. Oh, quack, quack, quack. Oh, and eyes quack. Okay, I get it. Oh, look at that. Little parsnip. Cucumber. Okay, I could go a little bit faster. What is that? Hemlock? No, carrots. That's a carrot. Huh. Who knew? Must use toothpicks. I'm trying to see if it says. They use pins for the eyes. And I don't know for the feet. I'm guessing they're toothpicks, but what do I know? That's cute. Bully the Bullfrog. These images are so fun. The Lonesome Chick. A sweet potato. And a donkey or monkey, a mule. Excuse me. Porky Pineapple. Mandy, what is that? A eggplant. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the pig. When he's flocked. Oh my gosh, those are cute. Love this. I like ducks. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? I could never say that. I still can, apparently. Ooh, this is pretty. So she kind of put this down here. Some beautiful pages. Ooh, I love that one. To kind of protect my treasures. Oh gosh, Sarah, these are beautiful. All right, now let's look. So these, I believe, are part of what she's putting together. And I think that this is probably, I think she has some big pages too. But Lonnie's Christmas present. Oh, these are cute size papers. Sorry. I hope I'm not getting sick because I have not really felt that great today. Wow, these are beautiful and yummy. I love the feel of that. Gorgeous. Oh, pitch of voice. Another example may help to render this more intelligible. Huh. Rhetorical pause. Lost time. I threw a bubble to the sea. A billow caught it hastily. Another billow quickly came, successfully the prize to claim. From wave to wave unchecked it passed, till tossed up a strand at last. Thus glide unto the unknown shore. Those golden moments we deplore. Those moments which, not thrown away, might win for us eternal day. This is, look at how grungy and wonderful and yummy that is. These are fabulous, Sarah. You did a great job. And what a fun find to put these together. And again, these are on the Makers Market. The link is in the description. It's district.net/Makers Market. And you can find all of the wonderful, oh, this one's in German, book page bundles that she has. So this is cool. I love the feel of these old pages. The silly little grasshopper. Okay, hang on a second. This one, I have this half-done journal. I wonder if, I need some pages. Do you think we can put him in there? I love that. It needs to get a little vintaged up, I think, in my opinion. And I like the idea of the old and the new. It's going right in there. Maybe we'll find another one. I had this out to work on. Reach your hand to me. Oh, that's cool. And this is very soft and, oh, that's cute too. Oh, this one might work in there too. Let's use how many signatures do I have? 2? Yeah. right there. I think I'm going to do this journal and finish it as, excuse me, I'm so sorry, as a naked journal. Oh, this one can go in there too, maybe. Put it aside. This one I think will be too tall. Oh, those are so pretty. Well, maybe not. Maybe I can put one in each one of them. Let's just do it. Thank you so much, Sarah. And then there's a piece of cardstock to back it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, let's see. This one, gosh, this is old. I mean, it's been a couple of years. I'll probably have to trim that down a bit, but that's okay. I think it will work in there. Oh, I love that I can just use this right away. Yeah, see, I'll have to trim it down. Let's see how these might fit in here. Right there, this can go. No, I think I'll make this one in. Now, I will also probably have to do at least a piece of paper to shore that up a little bit, or washi tape before I put it all together, but I will come back and do that. Oh, Sarah, thank you so much for thinking about me, and thank you for being a maker on the Maker's Market and for bringing such wonderful treasures for everyone to share. I appreciate you very much, and these will be so, so sweet in here. I'll see how many pages I have, but I might be adding some more. So if you haven't followed Sarah on her channel, it is New England Junk Journals, and also follow her on the Maker's Market, which is district.net/Maker's Market. And I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon.